guys, today I'm going to be testing out some glitters in my colouring book. So I've just completed this page and I thought it would be a cool idea to make the dragonflies glittery. So the only problem I can see that might occur from using glitters in a colouring book is it putting a texture on the page, and when you go to colour the other pages around it, they might put a bit of a bump. So I'm going to try and get them as flat as possible. I plan on using this chunkier one and putting it through the body, and then putting this nice fine one over the wings. First I've got some PVA glue, which I'm just going to put a wee dollop in that wee dish. And then I've got a wee brush set here, which is actually my nail art brush set, but I think it should do the trick for this. I think this is a nice fine tip, but you can use whatever you have. Don't go out and buy stuff specially if you've already got something that will do what you need to at home. Okay, so zoomed in a wee bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to apply the glitter to where I want the glue to stick, and as this is just a fine part of a dragonfly, that's why I'm using a really small brush. So I don't want to put lots of glue on, because if you add too much moisture to the paper it could go wrinkly, which I don't want that. And I've just coloured a little bit underneath of the black floor of the body black, and it's okay if it dries a little bit. It'll just leave it a nice tacky sort of surface to work with. So you can obviously buy glitters from practically anywhere, craft stores, dollar stores, and you can buy them in lots of different packets. Yeah, I'm going to be using the chunky one for a start today. And what I'm going to do is actually just, off camera here, fold a piece of paper in half and get a nice sharp fold on it and pour some glitter in the middle. And then by putting it on a piece of paper with the fold in it, I'll be able to pour the stuff I don't use back, and I just can take the wee cap off and away we go. I even fold this piece underneath, put it under here. Change from my original plan. I'm going to tip the glitter on the page. Let's just get a wee bit more. This was going to be my plan for the white glitter, but I was thinking I could individually place the black out on the page, but come on now, that would take forever. Right. Now I'm just going to press it down, and I've got a little fan brush that I'm just going to wipe away the excess. Just tapped off that excess and just removing the last few bits with my wee brush that aren't quite stuck down properly. Make sure they're all within the lines. And now anywhere that is missing some, I'm just going to put a wee bit more glue and just place them individually, hopefully. I've practically got no glue on my brush, just the residual sort of tackiness picks up the glitter pretty well. But you can see how it's helped putting that black first with the pencil, just to cover any bits that the glitter's missed. Now I'm pressing it down quite firmly, and it is taking some of it off, but to be honest it would probably fall off later if it's not packed down properly, so I'm just really pushing it in there. Okay, so I've got all the black glitter cleaned up now, and I'm going to apply this white iridescent glitter. So I'm just going to take some more PVA glue and apply it to the wings as finely as possible. Sorry for any background noise you can hear today. It's freezing and I've got the heater going, so it's winter here now. Now I've used glitter once before in a colouring book and I remember it didn't stick. I think I used a glue stick, so more of a dry glue, and it all just flaked off pretty quickly. My biggest concern is how it's going to react, like when it comes to colouring other pages. How much texture is this adding to the page that's going to affect my other pages? Here we go. I'm going to sprinkle some of this white glitter just straight over the top. It's looking pretty. Then I'll tap off the excess, and once it's a bit drier I will sort of try and rub it in a little. Love the way this looks. I love glitter. Going and I'm pressing it down as firmly as I can. It's obviously going to lift a little bit on my fingers, but the majority of it will stick and give that glitter effect. And I love how you can still see the black lines underneath because it's such a fine glitter. Cool, so there is my glittery dragonfly. You can't obviously see the full effect of its awesomeness as it's on camera, but I think it looks really cool and just has finished the page off nicely, so I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other one, and I'll see you guys all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.